Hello, welcome to a Bright Shadows DIY. My name's Ashley, and today I'm going to take you through my handmade Princess Peach costume. Full disclaimer, I am not a gifted sewer, but I somehow pieced the outfit together without a pattern, which I will never ever do again because it was very, very hard and lots of trial and error. But if you like this video, please like, subscribe, give me a comment. It would make me so happy. But let's get to the DIY. There are definitely some flaws with the pleats and some of the seams, but I'm happy with how it turned out. I think it does look like Princess Peach. You'll need 2 satin fabrics, zippers, thread, gloves, and knee highs. The long fuchsia rectangle will be for your waistband. Measure your waist and leave a little bit of excess, 1 to 2 inches, for seam allowance. For the waistband, you'll be doubling it over, so it'll be half the thickness, around 1 inch, and you'll be using interfacing to make it thicker. For the light pink fabric, this will be the actual skirt, and make that at least double, maybe a little bit more, for the actual skirt part. Then you'll be pinning it to the waistband, making pleats, and then you're going to sew that together. Then you'll sew the seam and add a zipper at the side. For this shirt, I traced a shirt that already fit me tightly, knowing that I'd use a zipper on the back to actually close it. To make the poofy sleeve, I have this shape here, and there's a domed loop. That's what will be pinned to the armpit. And then the straight edge is where you're going to fold over and put an elastic so that it bunches and creates the poof. For the collar, I used the same interfacing technique for the waistband, and I somehow just pasted it all together so that it would fit my body. So I did make all the accessories. So the earrings are beaded, the beaded crown that I put on a headband, and the cameo I decorated from some jewelry finding. For the cameo, I used brass cameo, sparkles, and Mod Podge. So I put Mod Podge on the cameo, put gold sparkles on it. Then in the center, I put more Mod Podge, put the blue sparkles on it, dabbed it off, put more Mod Podge on after it was dry, and then I put the clear dome on it. For the earrings, I found a tutorial for beaded spears using blue crystals. So I had all the supplies already. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, connect with me. I would love to see your own cosplays and your own Halloween costumes, and have an amazing Halloween.